The dissolution is of right-left terpenes a to the power plus b to the power with a to the power plus equals s. The weak base anion hydrolyzes b to the power plus h to the power plus right-left terpenes Hb. Total solubility S equals b to the power plus Hb. From Ka, Hb equals h to the power plus b to the power divided by Ka, substituting gives S equals b to the power 1 plus h to the power plus divided by Ka. At pH equals 3, h to the power plus equals 10 to the power minus 3 m 1 plus h to the power plus divided by Ka equals 1 plus 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 10 to the power minus 8 approx 10 to the power 5. Thus, b to the power equals s times 10 to the power minus 5. Ksp equals a to the power plus b to the power equals s times 10 to the power minus 5 equals s to the power 2 times 10 to the power minus 5. We are given Ksp equals 2 times 10 to the power minus 10. So s to the power 2 times 10 to the power minus 5 equals 2 times 10 to the power minus 10 right arrow s to the power 2 equals 2 times 10 to the power minus 5 equals 20 times 10 to the power minus 6. S equals square root of 20 times 10 to the power minus 3 approx 4.47 times 10 to the power minus 3 m. Therefore, y equals 4.47. The answer is 4.47.